Guys, check out this beast. 2015 Ford Mustang GT. And it's hiding something under the hood. A nice supercharger and fully bored heads. It's just fully built to the max. About 750, 800 horsepower. Billet wheels. Just really nice car. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got long tube headers, no cats. We didn't do any of that. H-pipe, we didn't do that either. Then he brought his own muffler axle back. We'll have a link in the description. Legato's axle back kit. Legato's axle back kit. You can get it from American Muscle. We'll have a link in the description for it. So we did a couple of sleeves on it there and there to get it to fit. It fit pretty good other than that, but it was a little bit short, so we had to add something to it. But it's okay. It happens. There it is out the back. He wanted to quiet it down because his neighbors were complaining, unfortunately. But there it is. Very nice, very nicely done. And that's the straight pipes that were on it that we cut off. That's one side. We threw off the other side already. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Supercharged Coyote. It's still loud. It still sounds good, but it's still loud. Yeah, ting to idle at least. Give me gas? Ooh, that sounds neat. That's a distinctive sound. That's different. Again? Your sound decibels? Go ahead. 121. Do it again? Yeah, that sucker's loud. This sounds good though, man. I like it. These wheels are perfect on it too, man. It's the perfect stance. Look at that. Wow. Silver Bullet. Yeah. Like it. That sounds phenomenal. Okay, what's on it?
A Gen 3 block with a Gen 2 head and a Revs supercharger.
All the gears, everything is modified on it. There's a badging. It's done right. It's clean. Roush racing, supercharger. That's not including all the internals that's been done to it, guys. Enjoy it, man. Thank you for bringing it in. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what kind of launch he can do for us. I hope he doesn't disappoint. Just put those tires on it too, guys. Oh my God. Wow. Beast mode to the max, guys. You see that? What a pull. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.